When it comes to construction projects, precision and quality are essential to achieving durable, reliable results. Whether the project involves residential foundations, commercial developments, sidewalks, patios, or large-scale structural work, the accuracy of concrete placement can significantly impact the final outcome. That's why contractors, builders, and property owners rely on experienced concrete pumping professionals who understand the importance of efficiency, consistency, and attention to detail. Hat City Concrete Pumping LLC has built a reputation for delivering dependable concrete pumping services by focusing on precision, quality workmanship, and customer satisfaction. Through advanced equipment, skilled operators, and a commitment to excellence, the company helps ensure that every project receives the professional support needed for successful concrete placement. Utilizing advanced concrete pumping equipment, precision begins with having the right tools for the job. Hat City Concrete Pumping LLC uses modern concrete pumping equipment designed to deliver concrete accurately and efficiently, even in challenging locations. Traditional concrete placement methods can sometimes be difficult in areas with limited access or complex site conditions. Concrete pumps allow material to be transported directly to the desired location, reducing the need for excessive manual handling and helping ensure a more controlled pour. By utilizing specialized equipment, the company can help contractors maintain project schedules while achieving consistent concrete placement throughout the job site. Experienced operators make the difference. Even the most advanced equipment requires skilled professionals to operate it effectively. Hat City Concrete Pumping LLC understands that operator experience plays a major role in achieving precise results. Concrete pumping requires careful coordination, attention to detail, and an understanding of how concrete behaves under different conditions. Experienced operators monitor flow rates, placement accuracy, and site conditions to ensure the concrete reaches its intended destination efficiently and safely. This expertise helps minimize waste, reduce delays, and contribute to a smoother construction process from start to finish. Maintaining consistent concrete placement consistency is one of the key factors that influence the quality and durability of finished concrete structures. Uneven placement or interruptions during the pouring process can potentially affect the strength and appearance of the final product. Hat City Concrete Pumping LLC focuses on maintaining steady and controlled concrete delivery throughout each project. By carefully managing the pumping process, the company helps ensure uniform distribution of concrete across foundations, slabs, walls, and other structural components. This attention to consistency supports the long-term performance and integrity of completed construction projects. Supporting efficiency on the job site, construction schedules are often tightly coordinated, making efficiency an important priority. Delays in concrete placement can affect multiple phases of a project and increase overall costs. Concrete pumping offers a faster and more streamlined alternative to traditional placement methods. By delivering concrete directly where it is needed, Hat City Concrete Pumping LLC helps reduce labor demands and improve productivity on the job site. Efficient operations allow contractors to complete pours more quickly while maintaining the high standards required for quality construction. Adapting to unique project requirements, every construction project presents its own challenges. Site accessibility, project size, structural design, and environmental conditions can all influence the concrete placement process. Hat City Concrete Pumping LLC works closely with contractors and project managers to understand the specific requirements of each job. This collaborative approach allows the company to develop effective pumping strategies that align with project goals and site conditions. Whether supporting a residential improvement project or a large commercial development, the team is prepared to adapt to varying construction needs while maintaining precision and quality. Prioritizing safety throughout the process. Safety is a critical component of any successful construction project. Concrete pumping operations involve specialized equipment and coordinated job site activities that require careful planning and execution. Hat City Concrete Pumping LLC emphasizes safe operating procedures and professional practices throughout every stage of the pumping process. By maintaining equipment properly and following established safety protocols, the company helps create a safer working environment for both crew members and project partners. A strong commitment to safety contributes to smoother project execution and greater confidence for clients. Building customer confidence through reliable quality service extends beyond equipment and technical expertise. Clear communication, dependability, and professionalism are equally important when supporting construction projects. Hat City Concrete Pumping LLC strives to provide responsive customer service and reliable scheduling to help clients keep projects moving forward. By focusing on customer needs and maintaining high standards of workmanship, the company has earned the trust of contractors, builders, and property owners alike. Precision and quality. You can count on. Successful concrete placement requires more than simply moving material from one location to another. It demands experience, accuracy, efficient equipment, and a commitment to delivering quality results. Hat City Concrete Pumping LLC combines these elements to help ensure that every project receives the precision and attention it deserves. From residential foundations to large-scale commercial construction, the company's dedication to excellence supports strong, reliable outcomes that stand the test of time.